All right, everybody. I'm here at Lou's Custom Exhaust, if y'all can see that right there. And I got the Challenger, and we're going to do a mid-muffler delete. So I'm gonna get a few shots of the before, and obviously you're gonna get the shots of after. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get as much video as I can, as much as they'll allow me, and let's see what we got. All right, let's see how she sounds right now. All right, my baby's about to go under the knife now. All right. Oh, my baby. Damn, he's fast. Fucking crazy. Yep. We've only been here probably 15 minutes and he's got one side done already. So he's just doing some little cleanup on that right side, and then he's gonna move on to the left side. So I can't wait to hear how this thing sounds. He's working on the left hand side now. I like it a lot. Alright, this is it. They did a pretty damn good job, if I do say so myself.
We gotta paint it first.
Oh shoot, they didn't even paint it. It's a real deal shop right here, guys. Come look them up. Luz Custom Exhaust. It's a real deal shop. I like this. Little touches like this make it come back. Get more work done. As a welder, I know how important it is to protect your metal. Just like butter. So she's getting done right now. I'm so excited, man. You said it's gonna bark. We'll see. What you think, YouTube? All right, she's all done. What you think she's gonna sound like, YouTube? Uh-oh. What we got, YouTube? What we got, YouTube? Ooh, that's much better. Much better. Much better, YouTube. Jesus. He won't lie. He won't lie when he said she was gonna bark. God. Woo!
You're not gonna need a baller.
No. Woo! Yes, sir. We're talking now. So, I'm in it right now, and I am thoroughly pleased with the work that's been done. I can't wait to get some more stuff done to it and bring you along with it. I know this is going to be a really quick video, but I just wanted to let y'all see what's going on. So, like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you've seen. Peace.